Hey guys, welcome back to Rootset. Today, I'm here with a new version of Arduino Nano, the Arduino Nano 33 BLE Sense. Nano with BLE connectivity focusing on IoT, which is packed with a wide variety of sensors such as 9-axis Inertial Measurement Unit, pressure, light and even gesture sensors and a microphone. This board is a special one. Why? Arduino has added a new feature into this tiny board. For the first time, Arduino has integrated Chirp technology, which will enable machine-to-machine communication wirelessly over sound waves using this board. I will get back to that in a minute. Now let's see the board. Okay, this is our Arduino Nano 33 BLE Sense. As I said earlier, this is an IoT board, lightweight and compact, and is the same size as that of Nano. The board has two 15-pin connectors, one on each side, pin-to-pin compatible with original Arduino Nano. This board is based on NRF 52480 microcontroller with a clock frequency of 64 MHz, 1 MB flash memory and 256 KB of RAM. It is powered by Nina B306 module that support BLE as well as Bluetooth 5 connections. The inbuilt Bluetooth module consumes very low power and can be easily accessed using Arduino libraries. This makes it easier to program and enable wireless connectivity to any of your projects in no time. You won't have to use external Bluetooth modules to add Bluetooth capability to your project. Save space and power. BLE Sense can sense its environment and read a lot of value through its impressive array of onboard sensors like 9-axis Inertial Measurement Unit, temperature, pressure, humidity, light, color, and even gesture sensors as well as microphone that can be easily accessed and managed using specialized libraries. But there are some things that have to be noted before working with this board. Arduino Nano 33 BLE only supports 3.3 volt input-output and is not 5 volt tolerant. So please make sure you are not directly connecting 5 volt signals to this board or it will be damaged. Also, as opposed to Arduino Nano boards that support 5 volt operation, the 5 volt pin does not supply voltage but is rather connected through a jumper to the USB power input. Another thing to mention here is the Arduino Core. Guys, before going further, if you find this video useful, consider supporting my channel by giving this video a like and subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. I would really appreciate it. As I mentioned earlier, this board is based on NRF 52480 microcontroller. Arduino did not have an official core for this microcontroller, so they developed a core based on EmbedOS Foundation sharing its libraries and drivers, Arduino Core-nRF 528X EmbedOS, which can be added to your Arduino IDE. As you might know, Mbed is a real-time operating system, meaning you can run multiple programs or threads at the same time, like what's happening inside your PC or smartphone. Mbed also supports tickless mode, means every time you write delay in your code, the board will try to go in low power mode, knowing exactly when to wake up for the next scheduled event. Now about the Chirp. Chirp integration will allow Arduino powered projects to send and receive data wirelessly over sound waves using just microphones and loudspeakers. The data is encoded into series of audible and inaudible pitches and tones to form sonic barcodes. This encoded data is sent over the air to the receiving device or group of devices where the data is then decoded. Using specialized libraries and detailed documentations, hobbies can create amazing projects using this data over sound capabilities. Compared to other technologies, data over sound is able to be used in very wide application areas using existing hardware and without setup or configuration. This will open new window of opportunities to hobbyists and Arduino enthusiasts. In the next video, I will show you how you can use Chirp with Arduino and send data using sound and use various sensors and make cool projects with this board. In our channel, you will find lots of Arduino and Raspberry Pi projects and tutorials using the latest boards and sensors. Our main focus is on DIY hobby projects, robotics and home automation using simple and cheap components in a fun and easy way. Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss the future videos. Thanks for watching guys, see you next week.